Have you ever had a near-death experience? We did recently on a road trip from Houston, Texas to Durango, Colorado. What started as a normal drive quickly turned into something we'll never forget. The day began smoothly, cruising through northwest Texas, capturing the beautiful landscapes and snapping some cool photos. It felt like any other road trip, until it didn't. Fast forward to the middle of the night, around 1 a.m., we were following an 18-wheeler, going about 65 or 70 in the left lane. I noticed the big rig in the middle lane signaling to get into our lane. No big deal, right? Maybe the driver saw something or was preparing for the upcoming turnaround. Oh, there's a car stopped in the middle lane. Well, we'll just go past it like the big rig did. After the rig passes, the car just decides to murder us and swerves into our lane, forcing us into the turnaround and oncoming traffic at a high rate of speed. Then we barely missed a head-on collision with a couple poles. Thankfully, it was in the middle of the night and the road was nearly empty. If it hadn't been, we might not have made it. Shout out to the truck driver that noticed something happening and moved over onto the shoulder to avoid us. Once we got back on the right side of the road, the car was gone. Didn't bother to stop and see if we were all right. Probably late for a drug deal. Anyway, we continued on our journey, a little shaken up, but thankful to still be alive. Kudos to our 3-month-old Toyota RAV4 Limited for its handling and response capabilities. It just paid for itself. Let's see that again with some stop motion in context. Yeah, that was scary. What would you do in a situation like this? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more dashcam footage of the crazy things we witness on our adventures, hit that like button and subscribe and let us know. Awesome videos of Curacao and Colorado coming soon to a channel near you. Until then, stay safe and as always, live to learn and learn to live.